Hey there, science explorers! Welcome to Learn with Adeesha. Today we're going on a tiny journey to see what everything in the universe is made of. Matter is everywhere, and it usually shows up in three main states: solid, liquid, and gas. But what makes them different? The secret is in the molecules. These are the tiny building blocks of everything. How they hang out determines the state of matter. In a solid, molecules are like best friends in a giant group hug. They are packed tight and can only vibrate in place. That's why solids, like this ice cube, have a fixed shape and volume. They don't change unless we force them to. Now look at liquids. These molecules are still close, but they have more energy and can slide past each other freely. Liquids have a fixed volume, but no fixed shape. They flow and take the shape of whatever container you pour them into. Some liquids flow slower than others. We call this viscosity. It's like a liquid's resistance to moving. But gases? They are the party animals of matter. Their molecules are spread far apart and move super fast. Gases have no fixed shape or volume. They expand to fill up every corner of any space they're in. Can we squish matter? This is called compressibility. Let's see how our three states handle the pressure. Solids can't be compressed and liquids only a tiny bit. Their molecules are already too close together. But gases are easily compressed. Because there's so much empty space between gas molecules, we can squish them right together. Matter isn't stuck in one state forever. By changing temperature or pressure, we get phase changes. When a solid turns into a liquid, we call it melting. This happens when we add heat energy to the molecules. Heat gives molecules kinetic energy. They move so much that they break their rigid structure and start to flow. The opposite is freezing. When we remove heat, molecules slow down until they're locked back into a fixed pattern. What happens when a liquid turns into a gas? That's vaporization. It can happen through boiling or evaporation. Evaporation happens at the surface. Like sweat drying on your skin after running, it absorbs your heat and turns into gas. During boiling, heat throughout the liquid gives molecules enough energy to escape the surface and join the air. When gas turns back into a liquid, it's called condensation. Think of the water drops on a cold lid or a bathroom mirror. Some matter skips a step. Sublimation is when a solid turns directly into a gas. It's rare and very cool. And when gas turns straight into a solid, like frost on a cold winter morning, we call that deposition. Scientists use a phase diagram to map all these changes. It shows us exactly which state matter will be in. Check this out. The triple point is a special spot where solid, liquid, and gas can all exist at the same time. Finally, let's look at a heating curve. It shows how the temperature changes as we add more and more heat. Wait, why does the line stay flat? Even though we're adding heat, the temperature isn't going up. Why? It's because all that energy is being used to break the attraction between molecules so they can change state. Now you understand how matter changes all around you every single day. From ice to steam, it's all about the energy. Thanks for exploring with us. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to Learn with Adeesha for more science fun.